Hey guys, it's Mark in the shop, and today is the crazy day. I'm sure people are going to think I'm nuts, but the question I've been asked before is, why are my pencils like this? Because I made them like that. And why did I make them like that is, I love Carpenter pencils. But if I'm drawing something out in the shop, as you know, a Carpenter pencil does not have an eraser on the top. And I make mistakes in the shop. Draw something out, or I want to change something, then you're putting an X through that measurement and writing the new measurement. Or if you have this pencil, you can erase the measurement and redo it. So I will show you what I do for this. Plus, when these pencils get shorter, you stick them in the pouch. This keeps them from going all the way down into the hole where you're trying to push it back up. So let me show you what I do to these pencils so that they don't roll. Be right back. And what are we going to need to complete this project? A 1/8 inch drill bit, a 1/8 inch dowel rod, and the pencil, of course, and a knife to cut the dowel rod with, and some glue to hold the dowel rod in place. And I didn't mention it before, but a carpenter's pencil is rectangular, so it doesn't roll when using it. And now I'm just going to mark how big I want this piece of dowel rod, sticking through each side. Just going to use my X-Acto knife to cut it. Hold the other side or it'll go flying off your workbench. Going to put a little bit of glue on it just to keep it in place. Just wipe off the extra glue with my finger. I like it right in the middle. It would drive me nuts if I looked at it and it wasn't exactly in the middle. But there it is. And now the true test. Mission accomplished. Does not roll anymore. And there you have it. That's why I do it, and that's how I put a dowel rod through the center of my pencils. This is even another pencil. One of those kids ones, I think. My first pencil. Nice and big. I got big hands, so I like the big pencil. So, see you guys later. Be coming with some new projects soon. Talk to you later.